Hi there, it's Murdo here, Hungry Nuts. Well, it's Sunday and it is, I'll turn the TV down in a minute, it is the 23rd of April 2023. Now, I'm doing this camera video because in a minute the emergency alert test is about to go off for the very first time here in the UK. It's a signal and it's a siren and it should be going off in the next minute, so we'll wait and see what happens. It's coming up to 3 o'clock. The emergency alert signal's meant to go off on all smartphones at 3 o'clock and on my tablet device, so turn down your headphones if you do get the noise. Well, turn down the sound a wee bit. You might hear it. It's meant to be really loud and it's meant to be hitting every 5G and 4G networks across the United Kingdom. It's an emergency alert, so let's wait and see. We're coming up to 3 o'clock here in Dundee, Scotland. That's 3 o'clock now. Nothing's happened yet. Let's wait and see. Well, hold on a minute, will we? It has taken place, is it? I never got anything. I'm using 5G on my tablet and nothing has happened. That's 1 minute after 3 now. Well, doesn't seem I got the emergency alert on my tablet. I'm not too sure about my phone. I don't think my phone's, I'm not sure if my phone's 5G. I think it is, but I never received it. And my phone's on, and as you can see my tablet's on, and I'm using Wi-Fi. Nothing's happened. I was looking forward to this thing happening, listening to the alarm going off, but nothing's happened. That's 1 minute after 3. It was meant to be at exactly 3 o'clock. But, let's wait and see. Two minutes after 3. I haven't received anything. I wonder if there's other people in the United Kingdom who hasn't received it. Or is it just that it doesn't work on a tablet? They said it was going to work on a tablet. Well, that was exciting, wasn't it? This was an exciting video. I was looking hyped up to this alarm system going off, which hasn't went off. Oh, well, it says it's taken place. It has taken place. So it's pointless waiting now. Anyway, that's my video on the emergency alert test, which never took place on any of my devices. It's an old mobile phone I've got, of course, but I'm using 5G on my tablet. So I wonder why I never got it. Maybe you could tell me. Anyway, that was a great video, was it? Have a nice Sunday. Bye for now.